Welcome to our last 2 days in Queensland, in the buzzing capital city of Brisbane. To make most of our time here, we're diving into everything this vibrant city has to offer. From stunning views to unforgettable adventures. Everything about Brisbane was as epic as it can get, and you're about to see that. Our day kicks off at Crystalbrook Vincent, a 5-star haven nestled right in the heart of Brisbane, under the iconic Story Bridge. The moment we step in, we're greeted with warmth and style. Checking in is a breeze, and with keycards in hand, we're ready to make most of our stay.
We started our day with a drive through Brisbane, and right from the get-go, the city had us captivated. The mix of shiny skyscrapers and charming historic buildings is something else. Every corner revealed a new surprise, from sleek downtown towers to heritage spots that whispered Brisbane's past. The way the city blends the old and the new is quite impressive, but it's the heart behind it that really stands out. The friendly people, their love for the outdoors, good food and riverside hangouts, it's simply infectious. We can't wait to show you more.
Our first stop was Fish Lane, a hidden gem of Brisbane. Walking through this vibrant laneway, we immersed ourselves in a tapestry of street art and eclectic eateries. It's where we felt the heartbeat of Brisbane's creative soul pulsing through every step. I tried a local Australian beer, savoring its unique flavors, and Rashmi indulged in authentic Aussie coffee that was rich and aromatic. We captured some of the best Instagram-worthy shots amidst the colourful backdrop of Fish Lane, making the experience even more memorable. The best part? Exploring Fish Lane is completely free, so you can wander through its artistic vibes at your own pace without spending a cent. Next up was the River Life Adventure Centre. We hit the water for some epic kayaking. And wow, what a way to see the city, paddling along the river with Brisbane's skyline towering above us. This adrenaline and sightseeing rolled into one unforgettable experience. Gliding through the calm waters with the city reflecting off the surface was truly mesmerizing. The peacefulness of the river contrasted beautifully with Brisbane's vibrant energy.
As we wrapped up our first day in Brisbane, we stepped into its energetic lifestyle, soaking up every moment. Brisbane's nightlife is equally captivating, with lively bars, rooftop venues, and live music filling the air with excitement. Whether you're in the mood for a chilled evening or ready to dance the night away, Brisbane has something for everyone. It was the perfect end to our first night in this buzzing city. We kicked off our second day in Brisbane with a dose of adventure. Because what better way to feel the city's energy than by getting our hearts racing? Our first stop, the Story Bridge climb. It's one of those bucket list experiences you can't miss here. As we climbed higher, the excitement grew with every step. The city unfolded beneath us. Brisbane skyline against the blue sky, the river winding through, and the lush greenery everywhere. It's like seeing the city from a whole new perspective.
When we finally reached the summit, it's pure magic. The panoramic view is absolutely breathtaking, with the city stretching out in every direction. You can spot iconic landmarks, the bustling streets below, and even a few boats gliding along the river. Standing there with the wind in our faces and the city at our feet, it's one of the moments where you just have to pause and take it all in. We couldn't help but feel a mix of awe and gratitude. This is a memory we'll carry with us forever. The Story Bridge climb wasn't just an adventure, it was a connection to the very heart of Brisbane.
After the Story Bridge climb, we definitely earned some downtime and we were looking forward to a relaxing afternoon ahead. Anant and I headed to Brisbane's scenic lawns for a private picnic, thoughtfully arranged by Vintage Picnic Company. Picture this, a cozy setup by the lake, surrounded by greenery, with the city's quiet hum in the background. The food was divine, the champagne sparkling and the company absolutely perfect. We indulged in hearty conversations over delicious bites and sips, all while lounging on soft blankets under the warm sun. The gentle breeze added to the charm, making the moment even more unforgettable. As we relaxed, it felt the time slowed down, just as nature and the peaceful vibe of Brisbane. This is the kind of experience that makes you forget the world for a while, savoring the simple pleasures of life. Truly, the perfect way to soak in Brisbane's tranquil side.
Back at Crystal Brook Vincent, we couldn't wait to unwind. So we headed straight to the pool. After a day packed with adventures, this was exactly what we needed. The cool water felt like heaven, especially with the stunning views of Brisbane all around us. Floating there, it was hard to believe we had done so much in Brisbane over just 2 days. And to top it off, we had a glass of champagne in hand. Talk about luxury. Sipping bubbly while soaking in the pool, with the city skyline as our backdrop, made it feel like we were in our own little paradise. It was a perfect way to relax, recharge, and reflect on the incredible experiences we've had before heading to our final stop.
We wrap up our day at Ciao Pape, a cozy Italian cafe that feels like a slice of Italy in Brisbane. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee mingled with the tantalizing aroma of lip-smacking food, all complemented by the scenic view of the iconic Story Bridge right from our table. It's the perfect blend of international flavors and local charm, a fitting farewell to our Queensland journey. As we bid adieu to the land where adventure meets tranquility, we carry Brisbane's spirit with us, etched in every sunset and laughter-filled moment. Cheers to Queensland, where every corner holds a story and every experience paints a memory.